Welcome back then. The Nifty holding with some good gains. It's higher by close to around 30 points. The Bank Nifty is doing a relative underperformance today after a couple of sessions of doing an outperformance. So that one as well is higher by close to 20 points. And a few stocks moving quite well. Cadila Health should be up for you on the screen. That stock is sitting with a gain of close to around 4% as we speak. It's moved to the high point of the day. CESC as well was sitting with a cut of around 1%. That one as well has moved into the green. But let's welcome our guest then. We have Sameet Chavan who joins us this morning. Hi Sameet, thanks so much for joining in. And let's get straight to our first caller who is standing by from Andhra Pradesh. Hi sir, good morning.
Good morning.
Hello?
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning sir, how can we help you?
Yeah, I got the shares of HDFC Bank. I purchased the shares from HDFC Bank.
Okay.
Having a quantity is 2,000.
2,000, all right.
Yeah, purchase rate is 1,080 per share.
Okay.
Within a span of 1 or 2 months, how much I can expect, value in terms of value?
All right, Mr. Chandrasekhar, actually I've got one of those blue chip stocks. So if it's possible, it's advisable that you hold these stocks for a longer term. Can you hold it for a longer term? Because, these are one of the best banks in the business currently.
It's longer term in the sense?
In the sense around 2 years approximately, that's what's advisable. Can you hold it?
No, I can't hold it.
All right, you're only a short-term horizon. Maximum you can hold it for how long, Mr. Chandrasekhar? Mr. Chandrasekhar?
Time horizon is 2 months.
2 months, that's it. All right, Sameet, a bit of a challenge here. Mr. Chandrasekhar has bought a good bank, that's HDFC Bank. He's sitting on a small loss. He's got 2,000 shares, but he wants to hold it for a very, very short time horizon. Should he or should he just cut his losses now?
I guess at this juncture he should maintain his position. The stock has corrected a bit from the recent highs of 1120. However, around 1040, 1050 we are seeing a strong support zone. The stock has managed to take a support around this level, then has bounced back during yesterday's session. Going forward, 1070, 1080 would be a major hurdle for this stock. Once it surpasses this level, then 1100, 1120 can be retested. He should maintain his position by keeping a strict stop loss below 1030, and once this stock retests its highs of 1100, 1120, he can book his profits.
Okay, so that's the advice coming through on HDFC Bank. Our next query comes in from Vijay Kumar. He's written to us from Ajmer. He's got 3,000 shares of Apollo Tyres, which he's purchased at a price of 169. His time horizon is 6 months, and he wants to know whether he should continue holding on to them and he will make some return on his buy price of 169, or is it time to sell? Sameet, at least for the last 2 days, the stock has done well. Yesterday it rallied close to about 3% after they made that acquisition of Rainfin.com. Today it's added on another 2.5%. What would your 6-month outlook be on Apollo Tyres?
See, it would be very difficult to give time-wise predictions since the stock is moving in a consolidation phase. Recently, the stock corrected sharply from the levels of 195, 198. However, during yesterday's session, as you rightly pointed out, the stock gave a smart recovery from its multiple support zone of 150, 152. Looks good with a near-term perspective. This stock can bounce back towards 172, 175. But 175 would be a challenge for the stock, so my suggestion would be to hold on at this juncture. Once the stock tests 172 to 175 zone, he can book his profits and get out of the stock.
All right, thanks so much Sameet for stopping by this morning and giving us your take on a couple of counters. But let's slip into a short break. On the other side, we'll be joined by Jayant Masek.